Here we are, beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's been raining for the last 6 hours, solid really. You can see the water coming down the road here. This is our latest installation of 200 square meters of jag stone. As you can see, there's absolutely no runoff whatsoever. So you can see all the water everywhere. You can see the water coming down the road. See the water coming down the footpath there. Absolutely nothing on JAGAS jag stone. Beautiful product, amazing. Here you can see all the water. Nothing on JAGAS permeable paving come across to the beautiful, amazing product. You can see the water disappearing. See the water disappearing as it drips off the truck. See, it just disappears as it drips off the car. Absolutely fantastic product. That's cesspit's a total waste of time. It will never work because there's no runoff with this product.